Bendy Babes, what's up? Welcome to my channel. This is Kendy Jane Beauty, and today we're going to check out the customization process for Boxycharm. In your November Boxycharm box or premium box, you should have received either a complexion card for a Becca Cosmetics foundation or a complexion card on Pretty Vulgar concealer. And a lot of people have been asking me how to get to where you got to be on Boxycharm's site. And they just made it a little easier, but I thought I'd make a video just in case. First of all, I want to show you some dates that you should be aware of for Boxycharm. First, tomorrow we will hear more about Boxy Pop-Up. At 9 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, he will give us an update. Hopefully it will be tomorrow. Second, customization begins. You'll have choice for the Boxycharm base box. That's the $25 box on Wednesday, November 13th, tomorrow at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So make sure you go in and pick your products if you're getting a regular Boxycharm box in December. If you've updated to the Luxe box, you won't be getting a Boxycharm box. So just if you're still not updated to Luxe, you need to go in and pick your product. Now, next Monday, which is November the 18th at noon Eastern Standard Time, you will be able to pick your customization product for the premium box. Now remember, this does include if you're on the wait list for the premium box in December. If you're still on the wait list, you didn't get it this month, you still need to go and customize. Now, of course, if you're purchasing the box in December and did get the November box, premium box, you have to go in and pick your product for choice. Your two choices for the premium box so far are either the Dose of Colors Hidden Treasures palette. This is a limited edition palette that sells for $50. Or the Storybook Cosmetics Little Briar Rose palette. This one is in the Boxyluxe box in December. If you're already getting it in Boxyluxe, you may want to get the other one, the Dose of Colors palette. But if you don't like that palette, you may want to get two of the Storybook Little Briar Rose to give to a friend as a Christmas gift. There's so many ways you can do this. So just make sure you know before you go in which one you want. Sorry about the whistle. But next is our complexion customization. This has started since the 6th, since we started receiving our boxes. And some of us haven't received their boxes yet. So I just wanted to make sure you knew what to do when you got your box if you got confused. So let's take a look at customization. Okay, the first thing you need to know, if you don't see this screen right here, there's a little arrow next to customization. If you click here, you go straight to where you want to be. They just put this up today. But if you don't see this page, all you need to do is sign in to boxycharm.com/complexion, just like I have it here. Now, once you get to this front page, this is the first page to the customization pack feedback form. And as you can see here, you're either going to choose Pretty Vulgar, the concealer, or Becca Cosmetics. On Becca Cosmetics, you have 3 different swatch cards. So we're going to have a choice of 9 different shades. For example, I got the wrong card, but it didn't matter because I can just go by what I see here. I just couldn't swatch them, but I don't think it would have helped anyways because eventually I did get a swatch card in my other box. Now, if you click on Becca Cosmetics, the foundation, you'll get to this screen. You have 9 different shades that you can pick from. The first 3 are the lightest card, the middle 3 are the medium tone card, and the last 3 are the darkest cards. It looks like they picked a lot of neutral shades because a neutral shade, either a cool or warm person can usually wear it. So I think they did go that way with it. The 3 lightest colors are linen, shell, and cashmere. The next three shades are Driftwood, Olive, and Bamboo. Then you have Maple, Sienna, and Cioso. The first three are the lightest card. If you receive this, Linen is the lightest beige. It has neutral undertones. Then you have Shell, which is a fair beige with neutral undertones. And then you have Cashmere. It has neutral beige and it has with neutral undertones. So all of these have neutral undertones. You're just going to have to look at the shade that is closest to you. I always tend to go lighter with my foundation because I always bronze, and that makes you look a little darker. So if you do get a lighter shade and you look pale, you can always put bronzer over it. These all have neutral undertones, so you don't have to worry if you're cool tone or warm tone. You're just going to pick the shade that is closest to your skin. Now the next row, the medium tones, are Driftwood, Olive, and Bamboo. The first one, Driftwood, is light to medium beige. It's got a neutral yellow golden undertone. Then you have Olive. It's a medium beige. It is a yellow golden undertone. It's more golden and yellow. It doesn't have that neutral in there. So then you have Bamboo, which is dark tan. This is a beige, yellow, golden undertone. So I'm not as familiar with these shades as I am with the lighter shades. But in this, what I would say is, if you got you go by the shades first. If you're a light beige, I would go with the light beige neutral undertone. If you're I'd go by the shades with these also, because they pretty much all have the same undertone in them. You're just basically picking the shade of your skin. Now the last three shades are called Maple, Sienna, and Cioso. Now, I'm not sure how to pronounce that. I'm going to get slaughtered in the comments. But anyways, Maple is dark, and it has golden neutral to warm undertones. Then Sienna is a warm brown. It's got neutral undertones. Lastly, we have Cacao. It's deep chocolate with neutral undertones. And it's the same thing here, guys. All these are neutral undertones, so just pick the shade of your skin. They can go either way. You just need to pick the shade of your skin. They really made it easy, and like I said, you can play with bronzers to darken it up. I always tend to go a little bit lighter than darker. Some people go darker. It's just my own personal preference. You have to decide what your preference is, because these are the shades you're going to pick from. Once you click on the shade you would like. Now, if you're totally lost, have no idea, you can pick the question mark and they will choose which one you should get from your other quiz that you have taken. So that is up to you. Now, after you pick this is the screen you will see. How often would you want to receive these complexion products? And they have like 3 choices you can pick from. And the 3 choices are often, sometimes, or rarely, foundation, concealer, BB cream, CC cream, color corrector, bronzer, and contour. Now, if you want to know what a BB cream is, this is something that was created like at least 10 years ago in Korea and East Asia, and it trickled down to the West. And the BB creams are more of a lighter foundation. It's I'd say it's more for someone with younger skin or really good skin, and it always has a good skin benefit in it. It may have hyaluronic acid. It has things to help your skin in it. A CC cream, which stands for color correcting, will help if you have redness in your skin. It's usually a little bit heavier than the BB cream, the foundation is, and it'll have sunscreen sometimes. It just depends on the particular brand and what they're putting into it. So when you pick up one of these, you always have to look at what's in it to see exactly what you're getting. So they wanted to know how much you like these products. You see how I answered it. I'm never real sure, but I can never have enough foundations or concealers. And for that, for any makeup, I love all makeup. I can always have more and more of everything. So everybody gripes when they get eyeliners or lip pencils. I love them. I can always have more. So that's just me though. These questions will be on the concealer also. The only difference is going to be if you go back to the original screen and you pick the concealer, the Pretty Vulgar concealer. Once you click on it, this is what you'll see. Okay, Pretty Vulgar actually has 8 shades they have in this concealer. It sells for $25, but we're picking from 4 different shades. The 4 shades we're picking from are White Lies, which is a fair color. Tiptoe Over the Line is light to medium. The Middle Ground is medium. And Midnight Mystique is rich. So from these 4 shades, you need to pick the closest one. Either you can do it 2 ways. You either match it to your skin tone, but most people go a little bit lighter, a couple shades lighter, because you always want it lighter under the eye area. So you just have to choose the shade you want. And even if you have blemishes you cover up with concealer, I would do that first before I put my foundation on. That way your blemishes, where it's covered with the concealer that is a little lighter, it will blend in with the foundation. But these are your choices. So, and then you'll get to this page. You need to put your email address, I guess, to make sure, and your Instagram handle if you have one. Once you click off of this, you'll get this next page and you're done. So it's easy peasy. It shouldn't be hard at all. If you have any trouble, you can email me at kendyjane18@gmail.com and I can see what's going on and help you if possible. I don't mind you reaching out to me. And remember, we have our giveaway going on right now for the month of November. All you need to do is watch the video that I'm linking up above, and it gives you all the details on the rules and regulations so you can get in on November's giveaway. I'm also going to link the playlist to all the videos so far that are in this giveaway, and the more you watch, the more entries you can get into the giveaway. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to share my videos and subscribe if you haven't already. It really helps me when you share out my link to other family members and friends, like on Facebook. I really appreciate it. And please hit that like button before you leave. I really, really appreciate it. So until next video, y'all take care. Love you guys. Bye. Mwah.